Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 1Q. This is a studio apartment located on the first floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On your left is your galley style kitchen with a microwave, electric oven and range, and refrigerator. The Q-style apartment has a nice structural element which helps separate the kitchen and the living area. Into the living space, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture, a bookshelf, a full-size bed, a dresser, a desk, and a desk chair. One unique feature of this unit is a nice high ceiling with tall windows that let in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment. You'll notice that every unit is air conditioned and it has a heating element. And plenty of closet space. Another unique feature of this building, the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing in the bathroom, it's a nice large bathroom with an alcove and a full shower and tub combo and vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of apartment 1Q. Call us today for availability.